Noah and the Missing Homework, a short moral story. Noah was a smart, cheerful boy who always finished his homework on time. One Monday morning, as he reached school, he opened his bag and froze. His homework folder was gone. He checked every pocket, every book, nothing. When the teacher asked for their work, Noah stood up, nervous. "I did it, I promise, but it's missing," he said softly. Some classmates giggled, thinking it was just an excuse. After class, Noah retraced his steps. At recess, he even searched the playground. No luck. Later that day, his friend Mia ran up to him. "Noah, I found your folder in the library. You must have left it after studying on Friday." Noah sighed in relief and quickly showed it to the teacher. She smiled and said, "Thank you for being honest and trying to fix the problem. That shows true responsibility." The class clapped, and even the gigglers looked impressed. From that day, Noah made sure to double-check his bag, and Mia became his homework buddy. Moral: mistakes happen, but honesty and effort to make things right show true character. Thank you for watching.